everybody, Mountain Grandma here. Today's video is an entry video for the Growin' Groceries 2025 collaboration being hosted by Jennifer Ocean Homestead. The sponsors of this collaboration are Rainbow Seeds and Mary's Heirloom Seeds. I got some great seeds here. There's also a giveaway. Check out the description box down below and let's go ahead and get started. So for this Growin' Groceries collaboration, I've gotten seeds from Jennifer Ocean Homestead and Mary's Heirloom Seeds, and here's what I'm going to be planting. Some borage. I bought this not only for medicinal purposes, but because it's also great to help with bugs, and some cayenne long slim peppers, because I need to up my cayenne pepper stock that I have on hand, again, for not just cooking, but medicinal purposes. This I'm kind of excited about. Sakurajima mammoth radish. This produces radishes that can be like up to 100 pounds. And the average radish is like 26 pounds. So I'm going to be getting this in the garden today. Tromboncino squash. This is one of those long curvy squashes. I don't know, tromboncino, I don't know if it's meant to look like a trombone, but it's a pretty interesting squash. I'll try to share a picture of that. So excited to grow this. I think I got to wait a little bit before I plant it though. Calendula mix. I definitely need to get some of these started inside. And some Jimmy Nardello peppers. We love peppers. So I need to get these started inside too. So what's on my to-do list is to get starts going with all of these right here. And then, I don't know, maybe I'll try to do winter sowing in jugs or something, because I know it's not quite time for this. But this guy, I can go ahead and put in the garden. I've already been planting radishes. I've got one part of my bed that's nice and deep, so I'm going to get some of these seeds dropped in today. So I planted 3 different seed groups. You know, I always plant more than one seed when I start planting, of the Sakurajima radishes. These guys get huge, as I mentioned, so I planted them at the deeper end of my bed where my asparagus are, next to the garlic, because radishes can be a victim to flea beetles, and garlic is supposed to help prevent any flea beetle problems. So that's where I've got those, and I went ahead and started all of my other seeds, including the tromboncino squash, the borage, just all the other ones got started, and I can't wait to see those grow this year. These are some things that I've never grown before, so super excited. Don't forget to go down to the description box and check out the playlist so that you can watch other videos and leave comments. You're going to get lots of great tips along the way. And the giveaway is going to be in October, so stay tuned for that. Make sure that you go and subscribe to Jennifer Ocean Homestead. Thanks so much for watching, everybody. And until I see you next time, remember, keep your joy, folks.